Dear students, today in this video we are going to learn an important essay on environmental pollution. Many times this essay comes in both plus 2 and 10th examination. So in this video we will clearly, briefly describe and discuss about this essay. Before starting the essay, we just have to know some important things about an essay. As we know, an essay is generally divided into three parts. The first one is introduction, then second one is body, then third one is conclusion. In introduction part, we have to beginning, because it is the beginning part of the essay. That's why it should be brief and striking, because the very first paragraph draws an impression and it is of utmost importance. Then in the body part, we have to write the clear explanation about its advantages, disadvantages, then merit, demerit, and its various facts, impacts. It depends on the essay types. Means whether it is descriptive, whether it is narrative essay, whether it is reflective essay, or whether it is imaginative essay. And in conclusion part, we have to mention the coherent, precise and clear ideas, clear data. What is based on your viewpoint, your observation. So let's start the essay, environmental pollution. As first in the introduction part, we have to write environmental pollution is described as the introduction of external pollutants into the environment. Environmental pollution means making the environment dirty. The word pollution derives from a Latin word which means to become dirty. It derived from the Latin word what? Pollure, which means dirty. This issue means the pollution, environmental pollution, this issue is increasing with every passing year. It is an issue that creates economic, physical and social troubles. The environmental problem that is worsening with each day needs to be addressed so that its harmful effects on humans as well as the planet can be discarded. What are the types and causes of environmental pollution? Environmental pollution is of 5 basic types, namely air pollution, then water pollution, then soil and land pollution, then noise pollution. So let's discuss about air pollution. Air pollution is a major issue in today's world. The smoke pouring out of factory chimneys and automobiles pollute the air that we breathe in. Gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide are emitted with this smoke, which mixes with air and causes great harm to the human body, flora and also fauna. The dry farm waste, dry grass, leaves and coal used as domestic fuels in our villages also produce harmful gases. Acid rain, mainly acid rain occurs due to an excess of sulfur dioxide in the air. Excess of sulfur dioxide in the air. Then water pollution. Water pollution is one of the most serious environmental issues. The waste products from the growing industries and sewage water are not treated properly before disposing of the wastewater into the rivers and other waste bodies and other water bodies, thus leading to water pollution. Agricultural process with excess fertilizers and pesticides. Excess fertilizer and pesticides also pollute the water bodies. Then soil or land pollution. Soil pollution or land pollution results from the deposition of solid waste, accumulation of biodegradable material, deposition of chemicals with poisonous chemical composition on the open land. Waste materials such as plastics, polythene and bottles cause land pollution and render the soil infertile. Moreover, the dumping of dead bodies of animal adds to this issue. Soil pollution causes several diseases in men and animals like cholera, dysentery, and typhoid, etc. Noise pollution with an increasing population, urbanization, and industrialization, noise pollution is becoming a serious form of pollution affecting human life, health, and comfort in daily life. Horns of vehicles, loudspeakers, music systems, and industrial activities contribute to noise pollution. Then, how to minimize environmental pollution? We have to adopt the principle of 3 R's. What are these 3 R's? To save the environmental, use the principle of 3 R's: reuse, reduce, and recycle. Reuse, reduce, and recycle. Reuse products again and again. Instead of throwing away things after one use, find a way to use them again. Like this, reduce the generation of waste products. Then recycle. Paper, plastics, glass, and electronic items can be processed into new products while using fewer natural resources and lesser energy. On the other hand, it can be controlled by planting trees. First one, the planting trees, because the plants help in reducing pollution and bring a balance in nature. Second one, the factories should adopt strict pollution control measures. The factories should adopt strict pollution control measures, in which way we can reduce the pollution. Third one, we should check population growth to reduce pollution, because it is a big issue nowadays. Other than this, if we use public vehicles, instead of private cars, then also pollution can be reduced. In conclusion, you have to write that it is the responsibility of every individual to save our planet from these environmental contamination agents. It's our duty of every individual. Definitely, if preventive measures are not taken, then our future generation will have to face major repercussions. We have to take the preventive measures. Then the government is also taking steps to create public awareness. Every individual should be involved in helping to reduce and counter pollution. It's our duty, it's our responsibility to reduce and control the pollutions. Which let's all work together to get pollution out of our Mother Earth. One thing all we have to remember. At last, you have to write that quotation. One thing all we have to remember, that we will be a part of solution, not to be a part of pollution. Because everything it depends on our hand. We will be a part of pollution or we will be a part of solution. It completely depends on us. That's why always try to be a part of solution, not to be a part of pollution. It is the clear and a well described essay on environmental pollution. If you like this video, please share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.